welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Chamber. And he is a Sentinel from France. From France. And I'm just going to be showing you how you can use his utilities and stuff like this. Trademark, Headhunter, Rendezvous, and Tour de Force. Am I saying that right? Hopefully I am, but I'm just gonna lock it in and let's get started with the video. So this is Chamber slow. It's annoying. The slow is very annoying, and as you can see, the enemy can shoot you if you get caught in the slow, but if you see it, make sure you shoot it down so you don't get slowed down. And it is very good for anti-flanking, so people, like, when they flank you and they get detected, you can just go back to the back and shoot them. As you can see, it says enemy detected, and you can just shoot the enemy. And this is where you can put the slow. Make sure you hide it in a spot that they can't see it, so they won't be able to shoot it, like the one I showed in like the previous clips, I guess. And this is one of his other utility, like it's like a sheriff, I think. Or a classic, I'm not entirely sure, but I barely use this ability, but you can use it to like save, I guess. And this is his teleport and ult. Let me just show you. Put it somewhere there, and put one hidden back there, so you can teleport to the place when the enemy comes. And this is Chamber's ult. It's like an operator. So let's see. He is going to ult and then teleport back to the hiding space. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!